Kind of cold. Welcome to the Space Center in Mississippi. This place is really cool. This is our first stop along our little journey. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We are leaving our first stop, which is the Mississippi Space Center.
Mississippi.
Yeah, we just got to Mississippi. We've been driving for about, well, I've been driving for about 2 hours, and Ashlyn's been napping in the back. What's up? So we done made it to What's up? We made it to our second stop. I think we're in Foley, Alabama. Ashlyn's never been to Buc-ee's. So if you've never seen a Buc-ee's before, these are like some of the biggest gas stations I think in
it's not even really a gas
country.
Station, though. It's like a big store.
It's like a mini shopping store.
It's like a, I don't even know yet. There's so much candy. These with milk.
Okay, so how was your first trip to Buc-ee's?
It was awesome.
Awesome?
Yes. I have so many snacks.
Yeah, she straight up bought $30 in snacks. You're driving. Oh, baby, yeah. I've been driving. Whew.
You got my card back from Burger King, right?
Huh?
You got my card back from Burger King, right?
Yeah.
You sure?
Burger King was that. So we're 197.8 miles into our road trip, which is 3 hours at the rate we're moving. And we're turning back around to go get Ashlyn's debit card.
I don't want to talk about it.
So I've been editing this vlog from Thursday. It's taken me forever. And I finally finished. So it should be uploaded soon. I can't wait until we get today's vlog uploaded from traveling. And then, yeah, we got travel day tomorrow before the big secret's kind of unveiled.